Woo! Here we go. Carts stay left. It's noisy in here because we got waterfalls everywhere. Look at this. Is this for real? Woo, that's some cold water. Look at that. Awesome. Yeah! This got wet. Chilly. Look up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That is, I don't know what that is. That's the short faced bear. Whoa. Well, he's gone. He doesn't live in here anymore. Woo! Wow. Woo! All right. There's where we came in at over there. And here we go. Wow. Amazing.
This is all man-made.
Huh?
This is all man-made.
Yeah. All man-made.
According to Mike.
According to Mike. He's our expert. Here we got the saber-toothed cat. Now, to my recollection, wait a minute. These did not exist in this area. Easily one of the most recognizable and iconic animals of the Ice Age. Saber-toothed cats, particularly Smilolian, called the Ozarks home. So we did have some saber-toothed cats in the Ozarks. Their build is similar to today's modern African lion. These animals were likely to stalk and ambush hunters. Whoa, whoa, ah! Okay, there's a light at the end of this tunnel. Ah, there always is. Windows. Natural windows.
Interesting.
Okay, we are out. Ah, I can just see the Osage Indians coming out here and searching for food. Coming down this path and round the curve, ready to spear some fish. Or maybe perhaps some birds. There's little birds in there. Oh, little baby birds.
Ooh, that's a little bit ago.
She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Ah! I'm getting wet. Ooh, there we go.
It's the real stuff here.
Ooh, pretty. Real stuff. God! Getting wet. All right, here we go through the covered bridge. Woo-hoo! This is pretty. Look how beautiful that is. How beautiful is that? It's like nature's Rapunzel. All right. Wait, what is it that I see? Great golf! Indeed.
F.
Oh my God, we're at F. Oh God. Virginia opossum. The only marsupial found in North America. Wait. The only marsupial found in North America, north of Mexico, and is typically referred to simply as a possum.
Mushrooms.
As a possum. It is a solitary and nocturnal animal about the size of a domestic cat. We haven't really seen any of these animals, but you know, this is where they live. And we're tourists, so they're shy. Another waterfall. Another waterfall.
Here's G.
Oh, here we are at G. What do we got for G?
Squirrel.
It's the G spot. And we got a fox. Squirrel. Strictly diurnal. Ooh. Non-territorial and spend more of their time on the ground than most other tree squirrels. Fox squirrels have a large vocabulary, consisting most notably of an assortment of clucking and chucking sounds, and maybe a few oh sounds.
Oh, you're bad.
All right, we got people here.
Oh, we got a whole bunch of people behind us.
Oh, there we go, waterfall.
Still the people behind us.
Beauty. Oh yeah, it's a safari. We got lots of cars behind us.
Pull off and look around us. Should be coming around.
Okay, here it is. H. H is, whoa, let's see what H is. H is the eastern gray squirrel. Now, again, you know, he's not here right now, but nonetheless, he's the Sciurus carolinensis, predominantly gray fur, but can have a brownish color with a white underside and has a huge, no, large, bushy tail. We got a bear down there? Holy moly. What's in there?
Okay.
Oh my God. Oh, what do we got here? We got Natural History Museum coming up, and the
Ancient
artifacts, the most significant collection of Native American artifacts you'll ever see. I don't know. I've seen some really pretty cool ones in Wilcox, Arizona, so we'll have to check this out and do a comparison. And here again we see the natural, perfectly layered rock. Is this natural? No. Our expert says no, it's not. The top may be, but the bottom isn't. So I don't really understand, but we will believe our expert. Oh, look at that one. That one's really outcropping there. That's very cool. Very cool. They don't let you climb on these. You just have to look at them. And stay in the cart. Obey the rules. This is what nature's all about. Staying off the rocks. For you nature hiking enthusiasts, well, stay off the rocks. All right, we've gotten to I. This is our final
Eastern chipmunk.
Eastern chipmunk. Here we go. And it's a small species. Alvin! Most of you know about the chipmunks. They live here, apparently. So, we love Christmas. We love Christmas. Yes, we do. Da, 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 da.
Good drinks. Indian Head.
It's a happy day. I missed that one. Here we go to Indian Head Falls. Ooh, lots of people here. This must be a cool spot. Look at how beautiful the waterfalls are.
It's pretty.
Very, very beautiful. All right, and it's picture time.
Well,
Picture page, time to get your picture page, time to get your phone and your setting. Remember Bill Cosby did picture page? Time to get your crayons and your pencils. Very beautiful. Please swing wide. Well, let's see what happens because I'm not sure we're swinging wide. We got you on film here.
you on this whole thing?
Hey.
Say hi to Facebook.
Hey, say hi. Woo! There we go. We're close. Swinging wide. And around the bend we go. All right. Who needs a camera crew when you got a Samsung 7, man? Here we go. Oh, I hear those frogs. Whoop, 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 whoop. Arnie's barn, this way. Oh, we gotta check out Arnie's barn. All right. Arnie's barn.
Down the meat.
Okay, here we come to another little covered bridge. These used to be, you know, old-timey things, but these are brand new. Look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. Wait. Look at that. Gorgeous. Let's go around this side. What do we got? We got a nice big valley down there. Get close. Look down. Top of the rock, 40 damn miles. Oh, stop over there. Look at this view. Oh my God. Now this is gorgeous. This is beautiful. This is a place to toast.
Toast.
The sweet of it.
Hey.
The sweet of it and the tart of it.
Mm-hmm. You guys need to pull up so I can see better.
Ah.
Pretty, isn't it?
Look at this. It's like this. So,
Golf course right up there.
hey Grandma, what are those?
What's that mean? He's like, it's a show. Does it?
Hey, Brian, pull up so I can stand on that.
Looking for next cave. What happens
At the rock.
at the rock stays at the rock.
Can't tell if I'm.
Okay, what do we got here? It is some kind of
6-inch
drain.
corrugated tubing.
6-inch corrugated tubing. Way up
Estimate
here.
value about .015.
Phew.
Yeah,
It's good to
waterfall way
know.
down there.
Where's the waterfall?
Right through those trees coming up.
I can't see it. I don't see it, babe.
There it is.
Oh, yeah. Okay. See if I can get a close-up of that.
Golf course.
There's the lake.
I'll have to just keep
Oh,
it
the
up.
sun's coming out. It is the most awesome, beautiful day ever.
It's really pretty.
We always look out when we go places. Oh, there goes the shuttle. And that's all natural shuttle. Okay, end of the trail. We're at the end of the trail. Never done a golf course. I mean, excuse me.
Never done a golf cart on a
Never done a nature trail on a golf course before. So this was a new experience. And all things must come to a stop.